In this video, I'm going to show you about our updated bulk URL blog ping submission tool that pings your new content to content aggregators and ping servers so your content gets indexed and noticed faster by the search engines. This is the tool here. You see the URL on your screen right now to this tool. Very simple to use. You enter in the URLs you want to ping here. You can enter up to 5 of them. And for this example, we'll put in this text box the URLs to this page. And then all you do at that point is press the button, ping URLs. And in a matter of a few seconds, you'll see the results of that ping. Each new URL that is submitted will produce another string of feedbacks showing here until all the pings are complete, and then you'll get this message box indicating that your pinging is complete. And what's great about this ping service is you get a lot of great details, including the exact verbatim line-by-line response from the server of their ping, the results of the ping, pings that were successful, URLs that were successfully submitted by that ping server will be showing in green. Any ones that were not successful will show not in green like this. Very simple to use, and any time that you create a new web page on your site or make any significant changes to a web page, it's a good idea to come here and ping your new content fast and easy. And again, you can ping up to 5 URLs at the same time, and you saw how quickly all the URLs were pinged. One thing I want to caution you about is something I actually found by accident when I was working on this, doing the programming for this tool. I wanted to find a giant list of ping servers to submit content to. You'll notice that this tool only submits to 3 ping servers: pingomatic, twingly, and ping.fc2.com. The reason why only 3 is when I tried looking for other ping servers, what I did is I typed into Google. For example, I specifically went to this site and I took all of these ping servers, put them in the tool, and every single one of these, except for the 3 that we have on our tool, returned that these ping servers are not even active. They don't even work. They're dead URLs. I don't know if these websites that make you think that they're pinging your URL to dozens and dozens of ping servers, I don't know, maybe they don't know that these ping servers are dead and this is news to them, or maybe they're not really pinging your URL. I don't know, but it's just something to think about. When you go to a website, if something that draws you to that ping web page or that ping web tool is they're pinging your URL to so many ping servers, they're almost all dead. Just something to keep in mind.